Where has the time gone? Here we are in our final module. You are going to showcase what you've learned through your synthesis assignment in the discussion board and doing a short overview of your assignment. So our overview includes the fact that you will do that short presentation format, just a couple of slides. We'll go through that in the discussion board, what the requirements are. You'll need to do your course evaluation, and please note that this is a short module, and the module will actually end on the 7th of October at 5 p.m. And again, I'll change this date. I apologize for this. But the module will end October the 7th at 5 p.m. So keep that in mind as you're completing your requirements. For your final discussion board, you can use the insert stuff on the left side of the opt. When you look at the toolbar, when you're making your thread, it's right in the upper left hand corner, and you can click on that, and that will allow you to record a video. And you can either do that, or you can do like a voiceover PowerPoint if you would like, and upload that into the discussion board. So whichever means you do, the presentation itself or the PowerPoint with the voiceover shouldn't go over about 5 minutes in length. And you're going to provide that overview of your synthesis, as well as you're going to address the overall how epidemiology impacts your practice, and how has your view of epidemiology maybe changed since the beginning of the course. And just if you have key takeaways, please share those key takeaways with us as well. And if you would like, you may pose a question to your classmates regarding maybe an epidemiological concept or topic that was addressed through the course that warrants further discussion, or if you still have some questions, pose that out to your classmates as well. And just remember, this is a short week, so we will need to have everything posted and in the discussion board by Wednesday at 5 p.m. Thank you so much.